Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who's always on the lookout for ways to take care of your lashes and give them the love they deserve, then you're in the right place. Today, we're reviewing the Grande Cosmetics GrandeREPAIR Leave-in Lash Conditioner, a product designed to nurture and repair your lashes while preventing breakage. Let's get into it and see if it lives up to the promises. The GrandeREPAIR Leave-in Lash Conditioner comes in a simple, sleek tube, making it easy to apply. This conditioner is cruelty-free, which is always a big plus in my book. It's designed for all lash types, offering protection from brittleness and lash fallout, two things we definitely want to avoid when striving for healthier, fuller lashes. It's not just a conditioner, though. It's formulated with unique ingredients to help prevent lash damage and fortify lashes over time. When it comes to application, this conditioner is a breeze to use. The formula is lightweight and it glides on easily without any mess. I used it every night after removing my makeup and cleansing my face. It doesn't feel heavy or sticky, which I love because no one wants to wake up with clumpy lashes. Plus, you don't need to rinse it out, making it perfect for a quick nighttime lash care routine. Over the course of testing it, I found that my lashes felt a bit more hydrated and noticeably softer, which is a good sign. However, I didn't see any dramatic results in terms of lash growth within the short testing period. It's important to note that it may take a longer time to fully see such results. And of course, the health of your lashes is affected by many factors, including diet, genetics, and overall care. In terms of pros, I'd say that the lightweight formula and ease of application are top-notch. My lashes felt nourished, and I didn't notice any irritation, which is a huge win. It's gentle, yet effective, and the cruelty-free aspect definitely adds extra value for ethical consumers. On the downside, I would say the product doesn't provide instant visible growth, and if you're looking for immediate results, this might not be the magic potion you're hoping for. As far as value for money goes, it sits in the mid to higher price range for lash care products. Considering that it's a leave-in treatment that can last for several months, I think it's a decent investment for those who are dedicated to improving lash health in the long term. If you're looking for something more budget-friendly, there are alternatives out there, but they might not offer the same level of targeted care and protection. Comparing this product to others, I'd say that many lash conditioners focus primarily on hydration, but GrandeREPAIR stands out because it targets both hydration and repair, helping to strengthen and prevent further damage. It doesn't contain harsh ingredients like parabens, which you'll find in some other lash products, making it a safer choice for sensitive eyes. Looking at the build quality, I appreciate that the tube design is both compact and sturdy. The product itself is long-lasting, and the fact that it's a leave-in formula means that a little goes a long way. As for customer support, I didn't personally reach out to Grande Cosmetics, but the brand is known for having excellent customer service in general. Their online presence is strong, and they're quick to address customer queries, which adds peace of mind when purchasing. If you're considering this product but aren't sure if it's worth the investment, there are alternatives like the Lash Food Phytomedic Eyelash Enhancer that offer similar benefits, especially when it comes to strengthening lashes. However, if you're a fan of cruelty-free brands and you're committed to seeing results over time, GrandeREPAIR is definitely worth considering. In summary, the GrandeREPAIR Leave-in Lash Conditioner is a solid choice for anyone serious about their lash health. It hydrates, nourishes, and strengthens, but it may take some time to see significant improvements in growth. If you're patient and looking for a product that works behind the scenes to improve lash quality, this is a good option. It may not be a quick fix, but it delivers on its promise of healthier, more resilient lashes. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to purchase the GrandeREPAIR Leave-in Lash Conditioner in the comments or description box. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.